ZayNa's Playhouse!
Hi friends! All the vehicles are here. Uh-oh! Our puzzle is empty. Let's go on a mission to find all the missing vehicles one by one.
Let's go!
Do you think the fire truck is hiding in this rescue garage? Oh wow! It's the police car, but no fire truck puzzle piece yet. Off you go, Mr. Police Car. Let's open this white door. Oh, it's the ambulance! Off to the hospital you go, Mr. Ambulance. Okay, friends. Time to check our very last door. Yay! We found the fire truck. Goodbye, Mr. Fire. Oh, what's that? Wow, that's our fire truck puzzle piece. Let's put it back on the puzzle board. Right in place. Wow! Look at all these colorful buildings. We have a hospital, a police station, a fire station, and even a hotel. We need to park the right vehicles in front of each building. But wait, look carefully, because one car has a secret. Here's the ambulance. Which building should it go to? Yes, the hospital. Let's drive it in. Beep, beep. Now we have the police car. Where does it belong? Yes, at the police station. Let's park it right here. Good job. Here comes the red fire truck. Where should it go? That's right, to the fire station. Let's drive it inside. Vroom! And finally, the yellow taxi. Where should it go? Yes, it stops at the hotel. Let's park. Oh wait, what's that? It left something behind. Wow, it's the taxi puzzle piece. Bye, taxi. Let's take it back to our puzzle board and put it in its place. Wow! Look at this colorful helicopter. Let's make it fly around the city. Oh wait, what's that? The helicopter dropped something. Hooray! We found another puzzle piece. Perfect fit. I wonder which vehicle will surprise us next. Look, all the kids are waiting. The school bus is here and help them get inside the bus.
Let's go!
Here comes the first friend. Hop on in. Now the second friend, in you go. And here comes the third and fourth. Everyone's inside. Let's drive it to school. The school bus is on its way. Oh, wait. What's that? Wow! It's the school bus puzzle piece. Put it in its place. Yay! Another puzzle complete. Here comes the garbage truck. It's time to dump everything out. Whoa! Look at all the shapes falling out. Do you see it? Hiding in the trash is the garbage truck puzzle piece. Yay! Another puzzle complete. Great job, friends. Look at these colorful race cars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, here comes the big truck. It's ready to carry all the cars. Let's load them up one by one. First goes car number 1. Oh, wait, what's this? The white car was hiding the ambulance puzzle piece. Okay, now let's load car number 3 before I take our puzzle piece back on the board. Number 3 and car number 4. Bye-bye. Have a safe trip. Oh, wait a minute. The truck left us the police car puzzle piece. Yay! We found 2 puzzle pieces. Fantastic. Back to your places, police car and ambulance. Wow, look at these colorful airplanes. Let's see them one by one. First, here's the green plane. Next is a red plane. Vroom! Oh wait, there's another red plane. This one looks ready for an adventure. And finally, here's the blue plane. Let's give it a little shake. Wow! It turned into the airplane puzzle piece. Let's put it on our puzzle board. Yay! We found all the missing vehicle puzzle pieces today. The helicopter, taxi, fire truck, the garbage truck, the police car, school bus, an airplane, and the ambulance. Great job! See you next time for more puzzle adventures. Bye-bye!